Hawaii is a place that loves mo'olelo. We love mo'olelo. We love history and how we are connected to history because of the word pono. Think of the akua, the aumakua, the kupuna, the maakua, the opio, the keiki. Think about each of these different links. Think about the õlelo no eau, no ka luna ko luna, no ka lalo ko lalo. Va kēia ka luna, papa ko lalo. Think about that the sky is above, the earth is below. Think of that ancient õlelo no eau, that ancient proverb that connects us to Va kēia, the sky father, and Papa, the earth mother. Then know and understand why mo'olelo, history and stories are so important to the Kanaka Maoli, to Na'ivihanau o Ka'aina, because we're connected. Yeah. It puts us in this pono. It puts us in the proper place in that pono. There's no question about where we came from. Yeah. We know where we come from. It's in the mo'olelo. So mo'olelo, the genealogy of the story, is very, very important. You know, like the mo'okuauhau, ka'ayali kana e oliloa, me iwa wahini ali I roen, ua male ia, and kekeki ala ua o iho I o Alice Pua Leilani kanae, ho au oia me Alexander Kapili Aloha Hewitt, and kekeki ala ua o iho I o Kawai Kapa Okalani. You see that sequence, yeah? It's so very, very important in the mo'okuauhau. Well, that same sequence has just as much or greater value in the genealogy of the story. And you see how in the mo'okuauhau the names are mentioned? Well, it's the same when you do the mo'olelo, the name of the storyteller. The storyteller that's sharing the ike, the õlelo nane, the riddles, the õlelo no eau, the proverbs, ka õlelo o ke kahi kanaka e kolu, and how they talk with the third person, never referring to the I. Typical of the kupuna. Nalako no e hanai mai ana ia'u. And I was with them, they took care of me. Ua ike au ki ia mau mea ki ia mau